How to create and sell Canva templates. Hello, everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be discussing how you can create and sell templates on Canva. Now, there are two ways to make money with Canva. Either you can become a Canva creator, which means that you're going to lend your own illustrations and templates and designs to Canva, and then you can earn passive income from that. Or the other way that you're going to refer to selling Canva templates is by creating a specific type of design on Canva. Let's say you create a design for a wedding card, or you create a design for a business proposal, and then selling those designs or those stickers on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. You can easily sell Canva templates using Etsy and Gumroad and other digital marketplaces. You will see if you go onto Etsy, you can search for stickers and you will actually see a lot of digital stickers that are being sold. And this is, 10,000 stickers bundle commercial use. And this is a digital download. These are just stickers that were created on Canva. There are so many different types of templates that you can create on Canva. You have things like journals. So if you search for journal over here on Etsy, you will see digital journals that are being sold, manifestation bundles, daily reminders, and many other things. So whatever type of template that you're looking to create, you can easily do that on Canva. I'll show you guys a couple of quick ways to build some easy designs on Canva. But first, let's talk about Canva Creator and Canva licensing. So, Canva Creator is a platform which allows you to become an illustrator, designer on Canva, and you can click on Become a Creator over here. Now, with a Canva Creator account, you have three options. You can either sell your template, so you can create free or pro version templates. Then you can upload your own elements, and this is something that you have to register interest in, and then Canva contacts you, and then you can discuss, if you're an artist, you can show them your work and whether or not they would be interested in adding your work to the Canva template libraries. Then you can also sign up as the educational resources, where if you are accredited teacher, educator, or trainer that wants to use Canva. You can go into templates over here, click on apply, and you can share a URL of your design work. You can talk about how you learned and any details about how you learned about the Canva Creator program and apply to become a creator. This would allow you to build templates on Canva, and people use those templates. The more people use them, the more money you can make off of them. Now, what else can you do to make money on Canva? Well, you can design your own templates. So if I go onto Etsy and I search for digital sticker, so you guys will see digital stickers are super popular and you can create them on Canva. However, a lot of people do ask this question about Canva licensing. So if you go into Canva licensing over here, Canva licensing is something that is very clearly explained in Canva. You can easily use their designs and their illustrations with Canva. However, there's one caveat. You can't use an existing design as it is. So you have to add some element of change that is going to make it licensable. So if you just paste a sticker from an illustration, that is not going to be valid. But if you're combining multiple elements together, adding your own text to it, or adding a different way of presenting the pre-existing illustrations, then it is commercially usable and you're not going to go into any legal trouble with Canva. So let's get started with customization and building stickers and some other types of templates. So first of all, I'll show you guys how you can build a sticker pack. You can just go into over here, search for sticker, and you will actually see different types of stickers. But I'm just going to search for a simple canvas. So I'm going to click on create a design, and I'm going to create a presentation based design. And then on the left, I'm going to click on elements. I'm going to search for kawaii, and this yields me some amazing graphics. I can, add a couple of graphics like this and then add some text on top. So I have this cute little cat over here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on text, click on title, and I can add some text alongside it. So let's say I want to write, you have mail. Then in the text, I'm going to click on effects, and then I'm going to go into the outline effect, add a thick outline like so, click on the color, and I'm going to make this a black outline. Then for the text itself, I'm going to convert that into white. I think I'm going to go ahead and add color to the canvas. So I'm going to make this a gray canvas. Go into the text over here, click on the text effects. Then I'm going to change the outline to white. And then the internal color is going to be black. And then after that, I'm going to click on Command or Shift and then group these elements together. Then you can click on these elements together and you're going to click on Edit. And then from here, we can edit the image and add a background to this image. You do have to save these elements as an image to be able to do so. You can't enable or edit, individual stickers or individual elements. You just have to group them together, then download this, and then you can edit this as an image and add a background. Now, this is one form of, creating templates or sticker packs. There are other types of templates you can create. So if you go into Etsy and search for wedding card, you will see this is a really lucrative thing that you can market. So these are personalized wedding cards or just simple wedding card templates. So you can search for wedding card templates. And a lot of people are looking for some cute templates for their wedding cards, for their bridal party, for their bachelorettes. There are a lot of different things that you can do with those, and you have a lot of different options in creating these types of wedding cards. You can see editable wedding invitation. So for this, all you have to do is search for a wedding card over here, and you will see some pre-existing templates, but I am going to design one from scratch. You can see this is an A4 size. I'm going to go with this type of styling over here, and I'm just going to click on create invitation. And I'm going to change this up. So I'm just going to zoom in a little. I'm going to delete all the elements in this card. And I'm just going to delete the border and the background as well. Click on elements and I'm going to search for gold, pink. And then I'm going to click on see all in my graphics. First, I'm going to add this frame, which I think looks really nice. So I'm just going to add this over here like so. And once I've added this frame, I'm just going to do this and this over here like so. I'm going to place the frame all around the edges. So I'm just gonna crop this out, expand it on both sides over here. Once I've done that, I can add these glitter effects over here like so. Then I'm going to click on the background and change the background color. I want to go for something even slightly lighter, so I'm going to go into the document colors and just make it I think I'm going to go with a really light color like this one. It's almost white, but not quite. And once I place the glitter, I'm going to click on flip this vertically, and then just reset this so it looks nice. And once I have done that, I'm going to click on text on the left, and then I can add, the section for your name. And here the people can type in their name. And you can structure the rest of the wedding invite around this. So you're going to place this at the center here. And once you have completed your design, you're going to click on share on the top right. And then you are going to create a public sharing link. So you're going to click on public view link and you're going to click on create public view link. Once you copy this, you're going to be sharing an editable link for people that are viewing this. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on share and then you're going to add a collaboration. But if you add a collaboration link, then it would change the original template. So what you actually have to do is you create this public link and you share the public link. People can then open it and then edit with the public link. So that is all you have to do to create your own Canva templates. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.